Hello friends, today our topic is introduction of basketball. Introduction means the action of introducing something. Relationship between a pot and a hole is called of. Basketball, a game played between two teams of 5 players in which points are scored by a ball through a netted hoop fixed at each end of the court is called basketball. Basketball is a team sport where two teams, usually consisting of 5 players on each team, play against each other on rectangular court. Basketball, a game played between two teams of 5 players in which points are scored by a ball through a netted hoop fixed at each end of the court. Team sport. A team sport includes any sport where individuals are organized into opposing teams which compete to win. Where two teams usually consisting of 5 players, whereas means actually two side group oblique or squad each include 5 players on each team play against each other on a rectangular court means every side or a group or squad take part. Opponent on basketball court is playing surface consisting of rectangular floor with the basket at each end. The objective is to get the ball through a hoop mounted high on a backboard on the opponent's side of the court. The objectives means the main aim to acquire the ball moving. A hoop mounted high on a backboard means in one side and out of the other side a circular band of metal fixed a tall on upright board behind the basket of which the ball may rebound. On the opponent side of the court means rival side of the arena, while preventing the opponents from shooting it into your team's hoop means a period of time put a stop the opponent throwing the basketball toward the circular band of metal. Basketball game played generally indoors by two opposing teams of 5 players each. Generally means normally. Basketball game played within a building or under covers. Basketball was conceived in 1891 by Dr. James Naismith, a physical education instructor at YMCA College in Springfield, Mass, as a way to condition outdoor athletes during the winter months. Basketball was conceived in 1891 by Dr. James Smith means Dr. James Naismith, a Bodley teachers, teaching teachers, tutors or instructor introduced the basketball game in 1891. Young Men's Christian associations and educational institutions at Springfield in USA means United States of America, Moss, as way to condition outdoor athletes. A large number of players along get away early during the winter months means a large number of players along get away early in the month of winter when the temperature is very low. His original list of 13 rules has undergone a century of revision. Means his authentic 13 rules relating to basketball go through corrections later 100 years, leading to faster pacing and greater athleticism. Means basketball is a speedy walk at a steady of considerable the physical qualities that are characteristics of athletes such as strength, fitness and agility is called, leading to faster pacing and greater athleticism. Today, basketball is one of the most popular American sports and one of the rest of the world has adopted. Today means at present time, basketball earn a great popularity among the American peoples and other European countries and Asian countries of the world also choose to take up. The game achieved almost immediate acceptance and popularity. Means basketball attained nearly quickly liked and admired by the spectator of the whole world. And the first collegiate game with 5 players on each team played in 1896 in Iowa City of USA. Means the initially college game with 5 players on every side took part in 1896 in Iowa City, located in the middle western region of the USA, United States of America. Thanks and have a nice